Crash Course on Brazilian Environment, an examination of Brazil's rich and diverse environment, including the Amazon rainforest, wildlife, and conservation efforts. Brazil is home to a rich and diverse environment, from the sprawling Amazon rainforest to the vast wetlands of the Pantanal. The country boasts some of the world's most unique and spectacular landscapes, with an incredible array of plant and animal species. In this crash course, we'll explore Brazil's environment, including its history, current challenges, and efforts to preserve its natural wonders. Brazil's environment. A brief history. Brazil's environment has a long and complex history, shaped by both natural forces and human activities. The country's natural resources have been exploited for centuries, from the early exploitation of Brazilwood by Portuguese colonizers to the modern mining and agricultural industries. This exploitation has often come at a great cost to Brazil's environment, leading to deforestation, pollution, and other environmental problems. Despite these challenges, Brazil remains home to an incredibly rich and diverse array of plant and animal species. The country is home to the world's largest rainforest, the Amazon, which is home to millions of species, including jaguars, giant otters, and countless bird and insect species. Brazil is also home to the Pantanal, one of the world's largest wetlands, as well as the Caatinga, Cerrado, and Atlantic forest biomes, each with its own unique flora and fauna. Challenges facing Brazil's environment. Despite its natural wealth, Brazil's environment faces a number of challenges, including deforestation, pollution, and climate change. Deforestation is perhaps the most pressing of these issues, with large swaths of the Amazon rainforest being cleared for cattle ranching, soy farming, and other forms of agriculture. This destruction not only threatens the many species that call the rainforest home but also contributes to climate change by releasing vast amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Pollution is another major environmental challenge facing Brazil, with both air and water pollution being significant problems in many parts of the country. Industrial activities, mining, and poor waste management are among the main contributors to this problem. Climate change is also a growing concern, with rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns affecting ecosystems and human communities alike. Conservation efforts in Brazil. Despite these challenges, Brazil has made significant strides in recent years in conserving its natural environment. The country has established a number of protected areas, including national parks, biological reserves, and wildlife sanctuaries, which help to preserve key habitats and species. Brazil has also made efforts to reduce deforestation, through measures such as monitoring and enforcement of laws prohibiting illegal logging and land clearing. There are also many grassroots efforts to protect Brazil's environment, including community-led conservation initiatives and campaigns to reduce waste and pollution. Education and awareness-raising efforts are also important, as they help to foster a culture of conservation and respect for Brazil's natural environment. Top 12 Brazilian environment. The Amazon rainforest. The Pantanal wetlands. The Caatinga biome. The Cerrado biome. The Atlantic forest biome. Chapada dos Veadeiros National Park. Lençóis Maranhenses National Park. Serra da Capivara National Park. Fernando de Noronha Marine National Park. Jericoacoara National Park. Pico da Neblina National Park. Abrolhos Marine National Park. Each of these environments is unique and important, with its own distinct set of flora and fauna. For example, the Amazon is home to a staggering variety of plant and animal species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The Pantanal, meanwhile, is one of the world's most important wetlands, home to a wide variety of aquatic and terrestrial species, including jaguars, capybaras, and giant OT. Poem. Beneath the canopy, where light cannot touch, lies the Amazon, with secrets so much. A vibrant world, with creatures untold. A paradise, that never grows old. The jaguars roam, with grace and might. The toucans chirp, a colorful sight. The rivers flow, a lifeline so strong. The rainforest sings, a tranquil song. But human greed threatens this land. The trees fall, by the chainsaw's demand. The animals suffer, their homes destroyed. The people fight, to save what's employed. We must protect this precious place. For future generations, to have a space. To witness nature, at its best. And keep the Amazon, forever blessed. Song. Verse 1. Deep in the heart of Brazil lies a world so wild and real. where the Amazon rainforest thrives, and nature truly comes alive. Chorus. The Amazon, a land of wonder, full of life and beauty under, threatened by human desire, but we can protect and inspire. Verse 2. Jaguars roam, with stealthy grace. Toucans fly, with a colorful chase. The rivers flow, a constant stream. A paradise, beyond our dream. Chorus. The Amazon, a land of wonder, full of life and beauty under, threatened by human desire, but we can protect and inspire. Bridge. We must protect this precious land for future generations to understand the value of nature, so diverse, and all the life it can preserve. Chorus. The Amazon, a land of wonder, full of life and beauty under, threatened by human desire, but we can protect and inspire. Asterisk asterisk asterisk. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Brazil has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Brazil, please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse Team.